Hey, what's that?
Me?
What is that?
It's a bloody typewriter!
Where did you get a computer?
Typewriter. I'll write it down on here for you. Typewriter. Dumb fuck.
But you're Asian, you can't spell properly. If you get a computer, it'll do autocorrect.
Shut up with this nonsense autocorrect. Onto my bum! Suck my bum! Go! Go! Bloody go! Bloody go!
Okay, fine.